Edikaikong soup is known as one of the richest vegetable soups from southeastern Nigeria, a real high budget meal. But guess what? I made mine with just 5,000 naira and it turned out super tasty, fresh and absolutely delicious. Stick around and I will show you how to make this low budget edikaikong that still tastes like reality. Alright, let's dive right in. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, these are the list of the ingredients. Fluted pumpkin leaf, Ugwu, that is it. I bought it for 1,000 naira. Then I have my water leaf. This water leaf is right from my garden, so it's free. Then I have the comot 500, the stock 500, red oil 300, chili pepper. Chili pepper is 100 naira. I have a fish 1,000 naira. Bonnet pepper is 100 naira and crayfish also is 300. This is cow leg bokoto. That one is 600 naira. My locust bean is also there 200 and I also have a onion 100 and there is fish, dry fish. That one is like 400. So I bring all hard protein, which is the cow leg and the stock, to boil. I add seasoning cube, onions and a little bay leaf and also water. Remember, this soup doesn't need a lot of water. I just add just a little, enough for it to cook. Cover and allow to cook till soft while we prep the other ingredients. And this is my fluted pumpkin leaf, thoroughly washed. So it's time for me to chop. While chopping, make sure you chop it as tiny as possible. Look at it. Edikang soup is packed with rich nutrients from vegetables, fish and meat that help boost your immune system and energy. It is also great for maintaining healthy skin and improving digestion. Whenever I take this vegetable soup, I sleep like a baby as if I use sleeping pills. I don't know your own experience, but that has been mine. It relaxes the muscle. Then this is my chili pepper. I remove uh all the seed, my chili pepper and my bonnet pepper. I chop everything to tiny tiny choppy form. It is optional. You can grind or blend yours. This is the way I want it. I want it as natural as possible. That is the reason for chopping it this way. The next ingredient for me to prep here is the fish, the dry catfish. This fish is just like 400 naira already, although I have it at home. I pour in hot water and allow it to stay for like 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes I'm back here to debone it so that I'll have only the fish and not the head or bones inside my vegetable soup. So over here I have my protein. Behind camera I already added the fish, so now it's well done. I remove it and debone because this shower fish can easily give way or scatter. That's why I'm doing it that way. So I add my blended pepper, crayfish, onions and the dry fish. And here comes my locust bean and of course palm oil. This palm oil is so good, so good, so good. Can you see it? So everything we cook together. Remember, we are not adding water. So I add one more seasoning cube and that is enough, and a little more salt. Mix very well, allow to cook for all the ingredients to bring out their flavor, and well done. So I cover and allow that to cook. So after a few minutes I'm back here, depending on the intensity of your of your burner. It should not be more than 5 to 7 minutes. So I cook until all the water content there is almost dry before introducing my water leaf. This water leaf is well prepped. Friend, I love the fact that you are still there watching my video. If you are loving how this Edikang is turning out, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and share this video with your friends. It really helps the channel grow and keeps me motivated to bring you more tasty, low budget Nigerian recipes like this one. So after cooking for a while, I now introduce the pumpkin leaf or fluted pumpkin leaf, which we call Ugwu. So I give it a gentle mix. It's now time for me to introduce the boned shower fish. This fish is very, very tasty, and the way I cut it now, the way I cut it into big chunks, it will just stay whole without scattering as it used to be. Since I'm introducing it when the soup is almost ready, so allow it to simmer for some minutes. And here we have it. Can you see this water, this soup? I didn't add any extra water. I only made use of the juices from the water leaf, which is also tasty and flavorful. And our soup is ready. It's time for me to serve. This is my pounded yam, fluffy pounded yam, smooth pounded yam. Just look at that. Rich, thick, and so inviting. The aroma alone can make your stomach dance. This Edikang Ikong is pure goodness, so fresh, hearty, and absolutely irresistible. So it's time for me to eat because I've labored. So let me give it a first bite. And that's my delicious low budget Edikang Ikong soup. Simple, affordable, and full of flavor. If you enjoy watching, please like, subscribe, and share this video so more people can try it too. Thanks for cooking with me today. See you in my next tasty recipe. Bye.